Okay, it's another unboxing. This is another sort of COVID-19 special. This is a Morrison's meat box this time. I did the previous box and I thought, well, let's see what this one is like. Given them a bit of time to settle into their deliveries, because obviously it's quite a new thing. So let's see what we get inside this one. It's much better taped than the previous one was. I didn't have the tape on it when I unboxed it because I removed it, but it sort of came off in just a few pulls. This one is much more secure. Judging from the comments from the previous one, people getting theirs lost. I've obviously learned from that. I mean, making mistakes is fine. It's not learning from them that isn't fine. So I think Morrison's may have learnt a few things. So let's get this open. I'm doing it in the kitchen just in case there is a leak, because the last one had a leak. And we've got two very big sort of things. There's the thank you thing as well. So we've got two very big insulated bags of stuff. So that's one, and it's quite heavy. That's the other, and that's the box empty. So I'll just chuck that out of the way. Right, so let's see what's in this one first. Should really have got the knife, shouldn't I? So there is some mince, 500 grams. Oh, peppercorn sauce. Doing that. Little beef roasting joint. I'll move these back here as and when I take them out. That's some beef gravy. Not sure what that is. Oh, that's not food. That's an ice pack. That's a lot more substantial than the previous ones. The previous ones were sort of clear plastic and it was quite thin, and on the first box I unboxed, one of them had actually been punctured, but that's a much thicker, I'm going to reuse that. That'll do for the cool box for the summer, you know, next summer when we can go out. Chicken breast fillets, pork loin steaks, 500 grams. And there's two more of the freezer bags, and that insulated bag is now empty, so I get that over there. So I've got, again, these are nice and thick, and neither of those has been punctured, so that's pretty good. So we'll just have a look at the other one now. So I'm just going over here, still not in the light. There's two sirloin steaks, Scottish beef quarter pounders, there's 6 thick pork sausages. Just they're not pork and apple, they're just pork. Some bacon, and we actually 6 back bacon, unsmoked. 25 meatballs, so that's quite good. And then there's 3 more of these packs. Now these have actually got prices on them. These have actually got prices on them. I won't be able to add them up in my head. The only thing that hasn't is the gravy, and that joint there hasn't got a price on. 0.8 of a kilogram, doesn't say, that's got no price on it, but everything else is marked. So there's a £2.35, a £3.50, £5.72, a £3. Pork isn't marked, but the steak is marked at 7 and the pork loins are at 3. I'm not even going to attempt to do the math because I'll be rubbish at it. But obviously you can do that for yourself. I might even put it in the description if I can be bothered. So that's what you get. I think that's £45 including delivery, and again you get quite a substantial amount of that for the actual, because it's couriered by DPD. You get a charge for the courier and you get a charge for packing as well, obviously. I think they're probably charging what they cost plus a bit of a premium for packing, but considering the choice is potentially going out and catching a life-threatening virus, I think that's fine, because you'll always be able to get a little bit more money in the future, but not if you're not here. So yeah, anyway, if you found that useful, then great, like it. It's a distraction from what I normally do. I normally do computery stuff. But if you like this and you want to subscribe, that'd be great. And any questions, stick them in the comments. And thanks for watching.